Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today we have here other case study, a long-term investment process in shares of this Chinese company, SINA.com, which I refer to as one of the best stocks to invest in or companies, precisely on a long-term basis. And you have to refer to the complementary live market calls, and bear in mind that this has been available in the blog of the company for a considerable period of time. In fact, I've been discussing SINA.com basically since IPO. I call it the crash in SINA precisely when on CNBC Jim Cramer named this company a strong buy. Shares they were trading around $120 plus. The fact is that SINA.com crashed, as obviously it had to happen. Every single time that they name a stock on CNBC as a strong buy opportunity, the shares they immediately collapse. That was the case with Fitbit, GoPro, and every single case. And in case of the SINA, we cover short positions, upgrading to strong buy. And I'm going here to refer obviously to this article that you have. I repeat, this has been available for a long period of time. We never downgraded SINA.com publicly, okay? So a long-term investment, I repeat, no day trading, no short-term trading. SINA.com, long-term, strong buy, along with other Chinese companies that you also find on the blog of the company, GD.com, that today it is more than 100% return on investment. And the most important case, obviously, since corresponds to a large cap company, Alibaba, upgraded here to strong buy at a price of $58 an hour to $60.70. Just to refer also to the fact that all these stock picks, they were made available to investors or subscribers to our most popular service called the Live Markets Premium. And with regards to this Live Markets Premium, today the name of this service is Artificial Intelligence Premium, all right? So you have here the article. I remind you, you should go through the article since it has been available for a long period of time, as well as the case of Ferrari and many other companies. And at that time, SINA.com, this is a live article on the blog of the company, shares they were trading at $56, 58 more or less, okay? $56, $58 in SINA corresponds to a bear market price, okay? So you had plenty of time to invest, but I repeat, to invest, as I referred to in the case of Ferrari, because the situations or the algorithm utilized, it is precisely the same, or it has been precisely the same in the case of Ferrari since IPO. Ferrari became the single best performer in their sector, by far better than the case of Tesla, and SINA, one of the best performers on Wall Street today, the single best one, with share price trading 18% overnight. And you see here that it started precise at a price of $35, when at that time Jim Cramer no longer liked, as you remember, he was downgrading SINA.com. And for your reference, you also find here, and bear in mind that this article, I repeat, written by one of my colleagues, that also we have been giving you complementary stock picks. You have here a video, since we utilize it often, to including instructions for those that visit regularly the blog of the company. So also I'm going to refer here, because the algorithm is precisely the same, to the fact that you have new all-time highs in shares of in 2017. GD.com, so you have my forecast and live market call when GD.com crashed down to 20, when we covered short positions, up again to strong buy. So if you have questions with regards to this, you have the blog, you have the videos on YouTube, you have the videos on Vimeo, and precise when GD.com was $20, I said GD.com, for God's sake, it is at $20, a strong buy, bear market prices, and bear market prices you invest for long term, okay? So I suspect, or I hope that you continue having a long position in GD.com, zero risk, as I've been announcing here since IPO, all right? And to finalize also, because you find this investment process, as I said and I repeat, all these stocks included in the service Live Markets Premium, which is today Artificial Intelligence Premium, You have here precisely the same situation with regards to Alibaba, new all-time highs, $123.61. Where is the surprise? I don't see any surprise whatsoever, since the algorithm, it is precisely the same, okay? As well, this is the same algorithm that told you to invest, to buy more shares of NVIDIA for free on earnings, live on Twitter at $100 an half, okay? So $100 an half, NVIDIA has been a long-term investment process, strong buy since $12.65, and obviously I assume that everyone followed my recommendation, since I said only a mentally disabled person does not have an investment position in NVIDIA. And meanwhile, NVIDIA share price rallied 35%, which obviously $100 it was a bear market price, okay? So you continue having bear markets, or people that they tell you, like the case of Amazon, where today you have precisely new all-time highs, and this following my article on the blog of the company, raising once again targets in Amazon. And again, I repeat, every single short seller in Amazon is losing money. Every single investor in Amazon on a long-term basis, and those that they've been following my personal guidance in Amazon, because it is complementary and has been complementary here in the most difficult moments. I've been there helping investors, and today everyone continues making millions of dollars without any risk whatsoever. While these Wall Street investment firms that they've been downgrading Amazon, and these companies, SINA.com and so on, or the NVIDIA, Intuitive Surgical, Pricelines, all these that I've been referring here and repeated for years, strong buy, my friends, you were left margin call, you don't have any further money in your account, you are bankrupt, okay? So I leave you here with the code, as I said, dedicated to this company, SINA, which you'll find, well, it is trading near $100 in the blog of the company at stockmarketlive.tv. Thank you.